Hi, this video is going to teach you how to simplify exponential expressions. So let's go ahead and take a look at this first expression right here. What we're going to use is the product property because what we're doing is we're multiplying two expressions together. The way that we're going to do this is we're going to expand out these exponential expressions. So x to the 8th is actually 8 x's. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, y to the negative 9th actually means that we're going to put those y's on the bottom. So negative exponents actually switch their position in order to make them not negative. So a negative on the top means that it goes to the bottom. A negative on the bottom means it goes to the top. So we're actually going to write 9 y's on the bottom. Now what we're going to do is we're going to write our x squared, which is 2 x's, and y to the 6th. So those y's are going to be on top. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine everything that we have. So we have a total of 10 x's. We have 8 from the first part and 2 over here. So we're going to write x to the 10th. Now we have y's on the top and on the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to cross out pairs of y's on top and bottom. So we're left with 3 y's, but those 3 y's are on the bottom. So we're actually going to write y to the 3rd power. So this right here is our simplified expression. Let's take a look at another example. This right here is called the power property because we're taking an exponential expression to a power. So what we're going to do is we're going to expand out our expression. So 4x, and then we have 5y's. But this 3 up here tells me I need to do that 3 times. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply my 4. So I have 4 times 4, which is 16, times 4 is 64. And now I'm going to combine my x's. So I see a total of 1, 2, 3 x's. So that's going to be x to the 3rd. And I have 5 y's in the first one, 5 y's in the second one, 5 y's in the third. So that's going to be y to the 15th. And this right here is our simplified expression. There are no negative exponents, so that means we are good to go. Let's take a look at one more. This right here is our quotient property. So again, we're going to do the same thing where we expand out. So I have 6 and 24. I have 12 A's. And I have 6 B's. And then on the bottom, I have 4 A's and 7 B's. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to simplify 6 over 24. So 6 over 24 actually reduces to 1/4. Because if we divide the top by 6 and the bottom by 6, we get 1/4. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross out pairs of A's. because if you have the same thing on the top and bottom, you can cancel out all the stuff, all the pairs. So I was able to cross out 4 pairs, so that means that I'm left with 8 A's. So I'm going to write A to the 8th. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the B's. I'm going to cross out pairs of B's until I don't have any more pairs left. So I'm left with 1 B on the bottom. So I can just write this as B. If you wanted to write B to the first, you could, but you do not have to. B is just fine. And this right here is our simplified expression. So again, when you're simplifying exponents, you want to expand everything out, cross out any pairs that you have, and then write what is left over. Thanks for watching.